Hello, I'm Dr. Debbie. This is quick tip number 5 in a new series of 10 quick tips to help you grow in your relationship. This time, it's for the women. You know, the big question of all time has always been, what do women want? That was Freud's big question, right? We even have a movie by Mel Gibson and Helen Hunt called What Women Want. And that's always seemed to be the big deal, especially to men. But I think the bigger mystery is, what do men want? When I ask women what men want, they'll nearly always say sex. In fact, the top 3 answers from women have always been sex, food, and football, or some other sport. Sex, food, and football. That's all men want. That's all they care about. But that is so far from the truth. If you ask a man, he'll tell you he wants respect and or peace, and he does. Of course, he also wants sex and food and football. However, none of those things fulfill his deepest desire. You're the only person in the world who can fulfill his deepest desire, because a man's deepest desire is for his wife's attention. And when you know how to give him the right kind of attention, he feels respected. And making that happen is super simple with 3 super simple steps. Quick tip number 5. Stop, look, and listen. That means whenever he speaks, whether he's talking to you or to someone else in your presence, stop talking, look at him, and listen to what he has to say. When he pauses, wait to see if he says something more. Don't talk over him. Don't do the girl back and forth stuff. Give it a try the next chance you get, and I bet he'll notice. And he'll get a little smile on his face. Even if no one else notices, you will, because you'll be watching for it. Then let me know how it goes. Remember, I'm here to help, and I'll see you in the next video with quick tip number 6.